A growing crisis over a killer coronavirus as the SARS-like illness spreads again.
First message is to Canadians is the risk still remains very low for Canadians in terms of acquiring this particular illness in Canada.
The World Health Organization calling the situation serious, but deciding not to declare this a public health emergency of international concern yet. Health authorities saying, make no mistake, this is an emergency in China, but it has not yet become a global health emergency. It may yet become one. Ground zero is Wuhan, a city of 11 million people who are now living in uncertainty.
As you guys can see, the streets are a bit empty. People are stocking up in certain things,
Wuhan and two nearby cities have gone into lockdown as officials there try to contain the virus, which has killed more than a dozen people and infected close to 600.
It's not a joke anymore. People are really stocking up. It's getting really, really serious.
Researchers now suspect snakes could be the source of the outbreak. But China's coronavirus is on the move. Take a moment to look at this. Multiple places in 2 continents reporting cases. This map showing how it's spread to other parts of the world. Though the real toll may be much higher.
If it's very transmissible, even a case fatality rate of 1–2% is going to be a huge problem. But if it's less transmissible but more severe like SARS, then that's less of a problem and that can probably be controllable.
There are no confirmed cases of coronavirus in Canada, but this country is on watch. 6 people are under hospital observation in Vancouver and Quebec, from which 1 has been cleared of having the new virus.
The fact that there are some cases that are under further examination is actually a good sign. It's a sign that our system is working.
Medical experts say a more complete clinical picture will again depend on the level of contagion.
It is vital, clearly, that we understand the rate of human-to-human transmission. That will determine the feasibility of control.
People flying into Canada are being urged to self-report if they're experiencing any flu-like symptoms. Signage will also be implemented at airports in Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal to raise awareness of the virus to travelers. For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.